Animals in the deep ocean have special adaptation that allow deep sea animals to survive in a very dark, cold, and high pressure environment. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, teachers, and my fellow friends. My name is Hazel. I am 11 years old. I am the leader of this team. That's name, How light affects plant growth. As my research in the deep ocean, it is a world of darkness, freezing temperatures, and high pressure. It is a world where plants can survive. As you already know, the food chain on land shows how living things get energy from food. The energy starts from sunlight, moves to plants, then go to animals. It is the same to food chain in the ocean. It starts from the plants that are called phytoplankton and move to the animals. So, what food that the animals in the deep ocean eat? May will tell you about the food chain and how creatures survive without plants.
Hello everyone, my name is Rami. Now let me continue to my friend Sarawate to present about food chain of the ocean. As you already know, the ocean is home to many living things from very tiny plants to very large animals. All of them are connected through a food chain. At the bottom of the ocean, a food chain are phytoplankton. They are tiny plants that float near the surface of the ocean. Phytoplankton use sunlight to make their own food. They are important because they are a main source of energy in the ocean. Next, animals like zooplankton, small fish, and shrimp eat the phytoplankton. These animals get energy by eating the tiny plant. After that, the medium-sized, such as bigger fish, squid, and jellyfish, eat the phytoplankton. They need more food to grow and stay strong. Then come the large predators like shark, tuna, dolphin, and whales. These animals are at the top of food chain. They eat smaller fish and other sea animals. When plant and animal die, decomposers like bacteria break them down into nutrients. These nutrients can help the ocean phytoplankton grow again. This is the ocean food chain works. Its living things depend on all of them can help the ocean healthy and balanced. Now let me pass the floor to my friend Kim Kate.
Hello everyone, my name is Haingik and 12 years old. Today I want to present about food come from the surface or chemical. Food in the deep ocean is very limited. Most deep ocean animals depend on food that fall down from the upper ocean. This food is called marine snow. It's made of the plant, the animal, and fish waste. These tiny pieces slowly sink to the deep ocean and become food for many deep sea animals. What happens if the deep sea animal can't find enough food? They have plan B. In some special places like deep sea, when food comes from the chemical, the special bacteria use this chemical to make food. Other animals eat the bacteria or animals that eat bacteria. This process is called chemosynthesis. This is different from plant on land, which use sunlight to make food. Other deep sea animals like toothworm, clams, and crab depend on this bacteria for food. Some animals even live with the bacteria inside their body. Because of the chemosynthesis, life can exist in the deep ocean without sunlight, showing how amazing and adaptable ocean life can be. That's all. Let's continue to my friend Moni that he will present about animal special adaptation.
Hello everyone, my name is Heng Swamni. I'm 11 years old and I will continue from Sister Kim Gate and I will talk about animal special adaptation. Animals in the deep ocean have special adaptation that allow deep sea animals to survive in a very dark, cold and high pressure environment. Because there is no sunlight, many deep sea animals have bioluminescence, which means they can produce their own lights. This light helps them find food, attract mates or scare away predators. Food is rarely limited in the deep ocean, so some deep sea animals have large mouth, sharp teeth, and expandable stomach, allowing them to eat almost anything they find. Some animals move very slowly to save energy, while others can survive for a long time without eating. To live under strong water pressure, some deep sea animals have soft body with a hard bone which help them avoid being crushed. Most of them are dark or clear like glass, making them hard to see in the darkness. Overall, this special adaptation allows deep sea animals to survive in one of the hardest environments on Earth. Now, I would like to pass the floor to Brother Kevin. He will talk about how deep life gets energy.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm 14 years old. Now let me continue from my family to present you about how this life gets energy. The deep ocean environment is very different from the ocean near the surface. It is a place of complete darkness because sunlight can reach nearby 200 meters. Without light, plants can't grow and deep ocean stay dark all the time. The water is usually close to 0 to 4 degrees, which makes survival difficult for most living things. The water is pressure becomes extremely strong. The pressure is so powerful that humans need special submarine to travel through the deep ocean. Life in the deep ocean is very quiet and slow because food is limited. More food comes from the plant and the animals that fall from the surface. In some places like deep sea, when bacteria use hot chemicals to make food without sunlight. The deep ocean is dark, cold, and challenging, but amazing animals have adapted to travel there in unique style. Now let me pass the floor to my friend Rate to present you about in conclusion.
In conclusion, the deep ocean is very special and unique environment. It is dark, cold, and has high water pressure, which makes it difficult for most animals to survive. The animals that live in there have very special adaptations, such as glowing body, big mouth, sharp teeth, and strong bodies, which helps them to survive in these hard conditions. Because there's no sunlight, food comes from two main sources. Food falls from the surface of the ocean and the chemicals from deep sea vent, which bacteria use to make food. All of these parts shows how amazing and strong life in the deep ocean is, even if it's the hardest place on the earth. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.